Hi there. So in this video we are going to talk about PHP date and time. So in PHP there is a function called date that is inbuilt function. By using this we can have a date and let's jump into that. So I'm creating a new file date.php and so function syntax is date then format timestamp. Timestamp means particular time, and format is in which format, I mean day, month, year, or year, month, day. So that is called format. So in this video we are going to see the current time. So this timestamp is optional. If you don't specify the timestamp, it will take the server's current time. So let's jump into that. So I'm going to echo date, and for the format we have this characters we can use in the format. So first let's sorry about that. So let's use y first, that is for a year in 4 digits. So in single quote I'm going to add y, and now let's run the file. And yeah, current year is 2022. So this is capital Y. It is for 4 digits, and if we add small y, it will return last 2 digits of the current year. Then let's say we want to show current month. So capital M is for month. Small m. So I'm going to add hyphen and then M. So yeah, current month is July 2022. Then day. So today's date. D represent day. So today is 4th July. And then L. L represents day of the week. So if I add space and L. So today is Monday. So this is how you can print year, month, day, date and day. Now we can go further. So this is for the day, and now we can print time as well. So let's take H. H is for hour, current hour. So capital H will be for 24-hour format, and small h will be for 12-hour format. So first let's use capital H. So it's showing us 17. So it is a UTC time. My server's time is UTC. So it is 5 p.m. 5 p.m. means 17 in 24-hour format. Then I for minutes. So it's 7:12, 5:12 p.m. UTC time. My system time is Indian Standard Time, but my Apache server time of MEMP is UTC time. So that is why it is displaying UTC time. Then S for seconds. So 17, 13, 25 refresh, second will be increase. And last A stands for AM or PM, but we can use it when we use 12-hour format. So let's use 12-hour format now. So without displaying AM or PM, we can't understand which time is it, but this is the PM time as we are seeing here. So let's use this A character space A, and as we can see it is displaying PM. If we use capital A, then it will display capital PM. So this is how we can use date function. If you have any doubt or question, please write down below in the comment section. In the next video we will be learning more about date function. Thanks for watching the video.